Yung mga green na yan, in technical terms, that's a support. But I want you to imagine this. On these levels, compared to these levels, yung nasa gitna, gawin natin yung color yellow. Yung yellow and green, what's the main difference? Nasa gitna, you don't know what's happening, and itong green is the support. So, I want you to imagine this. Pag ganyan kasi ng mga area na yan, in the forex market or even in the stock market, diyan mo makikita ang liquidity. Yung mga marks na yan, it's, aside from it's playing a support level, it's the liquidity. Pag may liquidity, meaning may maglalaro dyan na volume, may maglalaro dyan ng players. May maglalaro dyan na bangko, may maglalaro dyan malalaking tao. Initially, if they really wanted to manipulate the market, what they can do is this. Lahat na bumibili sa support level na yun, shake out. Bago yan iangat. Kung ito yung isa, kung ito yung significant level, kung mahina talaga si NCD. But again, on a technical perspective, wag kang magtaka na maraming movement nangyayari dyan. To be honest, dapat nga mas maging conservative ka dito. Alam mo bakit? Kasi nga, this is liquidity.